Hello, little learners! Let's learn some shapes with our fruity friends. Ready? Let's go! Hi, I'm orange, bright and round. Look at this ball that I just found. It's round like me, it rolls on the ground. That's a circle, nice and sound. Hello there, I'm watermelon square. Look at this box with corners fair. 4 equal sides, all straight and neat. A square is strong and super sweet. Hi, I'm pineapple, tall and bright. See this slice, it's a triangle, right? 3 pointy corners, 1, 2, 3. A triangle is fun, just like me. Hey, I'm strawberry, sweet and small. Look at this star that shines for all. It has 5 points, so cool and bright. A star lights up the sky at night.